Kung ayaw mo magbigay ng seat, edi wag. So parang ang nangyayari is, ang basic courtesy ay nagiging transactional na lang. Diba? Parang sobrang black and white na nung courtesy. And kung gano'n ang mangyayari, do you still even call that courtesy at that point? Kung transactional din naman pala yung underlying behavior behind that courtesy act, technically, courtesy pa ba siyang matatawag? Ngayon, so let me just say this, no, to all people listening. It's okay to expect kindness. But it's not okay to demand kindness na parang may ibibigay sa yung resibo. Courtesy should not be gendered at all. Empathy is not exclusive. Chivalry doesn't mean that lalaki ang always na mag-a-adjust. Minsan, babae. Minsan, bading, tomboy, bata, matanda. Depende sa sitwasyon. Chivalry doesn't mean men.